So today we're gonna be cooking some cookies, Christmas themed. But first I got a special guest. We got LeVar. Get out here.
Okay. That's good.
Hey.
What to say.
Christmas cooking part 2, or cooking part 2.
Christmas edition.
Christmas edition. Okay, so first we gotta take all our stuff. Gotta take an egg. You gotta only have the. There we go. You gotta only have the yolk though. So put in this fancy tool. Open sesame. Put in that fancy tool and it drains it. Kobe. So then you take the shortening. You got half a cup of it. After you dump that egg yolk in there, you cut this. It ain't butter, but it looks like butter. Oh. And you go and just lay it in there. And then you don't need that. And then you take this brown sugar, get 1/4 of a cup of that, and then pack it in there, and then you dump that in there. So you take this vanilla, you crack that bad boy open. Oh, it's brand new. And then you put a 1/2 teaspoon in there. Flip it to lock it, and you start creaming it.
Okay, next you get 1 cup of flour. Shame guys. Bro, it's all over my thumb. This is challenging. So now I think it's leveled out. Dump it in there. Then next, get some salt. So 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That's enough. Then gotta be a whisker. And just whisk. Then now, go to this thing, KitchenAid, and you dump some in. So now, I'm just pouring in little by little into this. But now, if it gets like on the side and stuff, just want to stop that, pull it up, then just, scrape from the side. Make sure you get all of that.
So we're gonna go and we gotta make this dough into little balls. Just doing this, take it, just roll it like that. Oh. Make these little balls like that. And you do it with all that dough. So you wanna go and grease your cooking sheet so nothing sticks. And then come over here and take your balls that are already rolled up. You wanna roll it around in the egg white. Get it all nice and wet, and then roll around some pecan nuts. And then you're gonna come over here and just plop it down right there. You're gonna do that same process for all of these. So take this, put it in the oven that you set for 350. Set the timer for 10 minutes. After they're done cooking, oh, that burned. You go, take them puppies out, start scooping them onto the plate. special cookie plate too. So, the little indents you made, you go and you put this little jelly in it, just like that. And you go around and do it to every single one of them. So I got my brothers and sister here, and they're gonna try the cookies and see what how they like them.